Hello teachers, today we are going to make a thumbnail using Canva and put it into a choice board in Google Sheets. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your internet and go to canva.com, and then we're going to create a new design. If you're not logged in, you'll want to go ahead and log in, of course. And then you'll click create new design, this purple rectangle over here. And then you'll do YouTube thumbnail. It pops up for me because I've used it recently. If it has not popped up, you can click social media and then click YouTube thumbnail there, or you can make it any size you want, really. All right, and the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to upload a picture. So if you click on uploads here, you'll see I've already uploaded quite a few pictures, but for the sake of this, let's just go ahead and get a picture from Google. In theory, you would want to take a picture of your own artwork, a teacher example, but for the sake of this lesson, you guys can just go to Google and search up something that you think a good picture will come up for. And once you find a good picture, you can just right click on it, save image as, and save. All right, so now we can go back to the Canva tab, and we're just going to drag that image in. So it's in my downloads, so I'm just going to click downloads up here. I'm going to click it and drag and drop. So I've got my picture. Like I said, you would want to put your own teacher example here, but just for the sake of the lesson. Okay, and then for this image, you'll want to have it selected. So when there's a purple line around it, that means it's selected, and you'll click edit if you want to add a nice shadow. You can click shadows. And I personally like using this glow one to set it up from the background of our thumbnail, but you can play around with these, anyone that you want, or you don't have to do them at all. But I'm going to click on glow. I'm going to exit out of that. I'm going to now do a nice background for my thumbnail, so I'm going to click elements. And I'm going to click out away from my Martin Luther King Jr. image here, just so it deselects it. There we go. And I'm going to just search background. And for graphics, I'm going to click see all. And I've got some nice options here. I want something nice and neutral. All right, I think this one looks good here. So I've put that in just by clicking on it. I'm going to turn this into the background by right clicking and then clicking down here where it says set image as background. And I think this is a little bit too dark, so I'm just going to click on the background and put the transparency down a little bit. I think that looks nicer. And that's my thumbnail. So now I'm going to go ahead and save it. So I'm going to hit share and then download. PNG or JPEG are both fine here. And the purple button download. Okay. Now it is up here in my downloads file. So I'm going to click over to my tab that has my Google Sheets choice board. And I'm going to go to the lesson that I want to do. And I want this to be a Black History Month lesson example. So I'm going to click on this box here. That's where I want the picture to go. I'm going to click insert. I'm going to do image, and then insert image in cell. And then I'm going to just drag my download. So I'm going to click on the downloads here, click on the most recent download, click, drag, drop. And there it is. It's a little bit too small, so I'm just going to make this whole row of cells here a little taller. So I'm going to click this line underneath the cell number, and I'm just going to drag it down like that. And I think that fits in there nicely now. And there we go. Now you've made and added a thumbnail to your choice board. Thanks for watching. Bye.